Hello, dear students. 2 months back, on September 5th, I had released an application for students. It was called Formula Racing. I had released the app, but I did not do a video demo of the app. So I thought I'll just do a demo and show you what is the use of this app. Before going into the demo, I want to tell you why I first of all made this application. So it's been 10 years since I'm in this field of teaching, and by this month, September, October, November, the portion gets over for the 12th standard, right? And now students start to revise, okay? And in January, you have your mains exam. And for the mains exam, what is important is the recollecting of formulas. So it is not, the questions are not very lengthy. So when you see a question in the exam, you need to recollect the formulas very fast. So that is why students also do formula revision. They just recapitulate all the formulas, okay? So what I felt was that could I make this experience for students more interesting, okay? And I got this idea around 2 to 3 years back that I should make this application wherein two friends can like play it like a game. If you all know, there is a game called Mini Militia. It's a very multiplayer game, very interesting multiplayer game. So we used to play a lot of that game, and I thought, how could I model this formula racing game based on that Mini Militia game? Okay, so that was the idea. Two friends should sit together, and they should be able to play a short game, not very long game, a short game wherein they can have fun, and also at the end they can be able to recollect the formulas. So let us go into demo of the formula racing app. Okay, so on this phone, my app is open here, okay, and you can see it on the big screen here. Okay, so the main feature of this formula racing app is play with friend. Okay, so let us first move on to play with friend feature. So this is the app, and ఇది ఆన్ చేయమా. Okay, suppose two of your friends are there, so this is on this board, and another friend of yours is there. So what you can do is, suppose you've completed a chapter, and there is a, let's first click play friend here. Okay, your friend also in his phone, he'll click the play friend. Okay, now one of you must choose the portion which you want to play. So I'm going to go to the host match, and suppose you have revised a chapter, let us say fluids, you have revised. Okay, so you go to this chapter, and chapter wise, and suppose fluids, we have click fluids. Okay, now your friend is still on this screen. Now your friend, what he has to do is he has to click the join match button. Okay, so I'm just showing you, there's a join match button. So he'll click the join match button, and you'll get a QR scanner, and now you scan this. So now on both of your phones, you can see on this phone and on this phone, the game has started. Okay, now one question, the time limit is 30 seconds, and each of you get 10 questions. Okay, the same question is there for you and your friend. So suppose when the temperature of gas is increased, its viscosity. Okay, so let us say I just keep here decreases. Okay, so this person has done it wrong, and now it is waiting. Okay, in the given time, this other person has not kept it, so now it has gone to the next question. So now we are in the next question. Equation of continuity state states that, okay, so a1 v2 equal to a2 v1. One friend has kept this, suppose another friend has kept this. Okay, so accordingly, like your friend, the points are given here, your points are given here. Now the very nice thing about this app is you would have revised what these formulas are, everything. The thing is, whoever answers it first gets the point. So something here, something here. Okay, and the thing is, between you and your friend, who answers it first, that means who is fast, they get the point here. So what we are doing is we are mimicking that thing that is happening in exam. In exam, when you see a question, no, you have to very fastly you need to recollect that formula. So that is what we are mimicking with this thing. And because you and your friend are playing it, you find it very interesting because you're playing it with a friend. Rather, imagine you're just sitting with your notes and seeing when water is heated, its surface tension, what happens, etc. Rather, you and your friend are playing a game, something like this. How interesting will it be? Okay, so this is the best time, this is a revision time, and you should download this, play this, and I'm telling you, within few days of playing this game, you will be thorough of all the formulas in physics. Okay, all the formulas in physics are covered in this application. And let me show you some other features also. So let us just keep moving forward. So both of them are playing. I'm just randomly choosing some options. Okay, now the scorecard has also come. So your score is 2 points, the opponent's score is 6 points. And so each question, so both have skipped it. What is your answer? What is the correct answer? Okay, who answered which question first? So all this report comes here. Okay, and if ever you have answered something, so you have skipped this, you can check your answer. What is the answer for this question? Okay, so now let us go to home screen. And the thing is, suppose you have completed one chapter. Okay, you can either do chapter wise, you can play the game, or you can play full 11th portion, full 12th. So if you click full 11th, 10 questions will come from the full 11th portion. 11th plus 12th, 10 questions come from the 11th plus 12th portion. Okay, next, now you have made mistakes, you have to correct it, right? So go to the my mistakes here, go to the my mistakes here. Okay, and when you go there, you can see all the mistakes that you have made here. Okay, suppose in fluids, if you just click this, you get all this. What is, so this one you made a mistake, all these mistakes have been made. Okay, and now these mistakes are stored, whatever mistakes you have made, they are stored in the app. Let's say you want to clear these mistakes, you need to click this clear mistake screen here. So you click the clear mistake screen. So energy of a photon, let us say hc by lambda. Okay, and some we are answering these questions. Okay, and now two questions you have done correctly. So if we go back, exit, two mistakes are resolved. That means from the list of mistakes which were there, two of them were resolved. So those two mistakes you will not find here. Okay, so the good thing about this app is it is also storing whatever mistakes you have made. Okay, and so this play friend is a very nice fun feature. I have made it on the basis of the game Mini Militia, wherein two friends are playing with each other, but it is physics. My mistakes is, all the mistakes are stored here and you can remove them. What is play solo? Play solo is just like a offline revision of formulas. You can just go there and let's say chapter wise, so fluids, let us say. Okay, you can go and you can this only you are just going through the app, there is no friend etc here. And so it will be like a nice revision for you. Another thing is, in this play solo, that means offline revision, see, in vectors you have completed everything, so that is why there is this green thing here. Let us say units and dimensions, you have completed only this much. So suppose in units and dimensions there are say 30 formulas. Okay, so if there are 30 formulas, you have completed, let us say 15. So it will show like this. The formulas do not repeat again. Okay, after I play a game, this all the formulas are completed, this becomes green. Okay, that means you have completed all the formulas. Again, when you start this, again it starts from red, blue, green, like that. So whatever formulas you have attempted are not repeated once again. So you can be sure that you're covering all the formulas. And you can see here what is the progress. You see EMI chapter, less than 30% questions have been attempted. Okay, so that is why you have a red. The rest of the chapters it is showing green. Okay, so you have feedback how much of this you have completed. Okay, I would say a very fun way to play this is play solo, go to a chapter, complete the chapter, then play with your friend, and it'll be a really nice experience. Okay, you'll enjoy your revision, Plus, let me tell you, in just 2 to 3 days, I guarantee you that you will complete all the formulas for physics. Okay, so this is the first product, my product, which I wanted to do a video demo. Okay, see you all.